Hello all, here I'll demonstrate this RL agent that is developed to learn the game called Chair the Fed, which is about financial decision making developed by the Bank of California. We are using Selenium for automation and tesseract for getting the game positions. On the left are the controls which is used to set the Fed rate, the action that our agent can take, which affects the inflation and unemployment as can be seen on the right hand side and in the graphs. Ideally, unemployment should be near to 5% and inflation to 2%. And at the top are the news. Here, the first action that it is took is to set the Fed rate to 7%, which it took based on the previous exploration of environment. Now, it will affect the unemployment and inflation both. Now, unemployment is 5.04% and inflation is 2.24%. There are a total of 16 quarters that it will play. Based on this, it will get a reward which can be positive or negative. Now it has got a positive reward. So next action it is taking by setting the Fed rate to 3%. So again, unemployment is 5.24% and inflation is 2%. Similarly, the process of action which leads this agent to a new state goes on for a total of 16 quarters, and at the final, if we meet the target, then at last congratulations message will come, otherwise sorry. So after training this agent on 150 epochs, it is winning more than 50% of the time. So that's it. Thanks.